Welcome back. In this video, we have to write the expression for magnetic field due to magnet at a point along its own equatorial line. What is the equatorial line? It is the line passing through the center of magnet. It is a line passing through the center of the magnet perpendicular to its axis. It is known as the equatorial line. And here we have to determine the expression for magnetic field at point P, which is situated on the equatorial line. We can easily write the expression for magnetic field due to the bar magnet at a point along the equatorial line with the help of electrostatics. Now let us consider these are the two charges, opposite charges separated by a distance 2L. This system, it is known as the electric dipole, and intensity of electric dipole at point P, which is situated on the equatorial line at a distance r from the center of the electric dipole, is given by E equatorial. E equatorial means intensity at point P, which is situated on the equatorial line, is equal to 1 upon 4 pi epsilon naught minus P divided by R cube. This minus sign indicates that direction of P and EQ are opposite to each other. In case of electric field, intensity of electric field at point P, it is directed away from the P. The direction of P, dipole moment, is from negative charge to positive charge, but direction of EQ is from positive to a negative charge. The negative sign indicates that the direction of EQ and P are opposite to each other. Therefore, this can be written as EEQ is equal to minus 1 upon 4 pi epsilon naught P divided by RQ, where P is the electric dipole moment and direction is opposite to P, from plus Q to minus Q. By using this concept, by using this technique, we have to write the expression for magnetic field at a point which is situated on the equatorial line of this bar magnet. Now this is the bar magnet having N pole and S pole. Minus M and plus M are the pole strength and 2L is the distance between the two poles. Let us consider point P is situated at a distance R from the center of the dipole. By using this equation, we can write minus as it is. Instead of 1 upon 4 pi epsilon naught, we can write mu 0 upon 4 pi, mu naught upon 4 pi, mu upon 4 pi. B EQ is equal to minus mu 0 upon 4 pi M divided by R cube, where M is the magnetic dipole moment if the value of L is very small as compared to R. By using this analogy, we can write the expression for BEQ. Now direction of this BEQ is opposite to the magnetic dipole moment. This negative sign indicates that direction of BQ and M are opposite to each other. Means direction of, we know that the direction of M is from S to N. Therefore, the direction of BQ is from N to S. And from equation 1 and 2, from equation 1 and 2 means expression for, from equation 1, from this equation say 1, and from this equation 2, we conclude that B axis is equal to minus 2BQ, means direction of these two magnetic fields are opposite to each other, and B axis is the twice of B equatorial. This is the relation between B axis and B equatorial. Thank you.